YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. And today, I will be giving you a light fade tutorial. You already know. So make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. Let's go. Interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. So let's get it. This is the before. I'm gonna show y'all step by step how to do a light fade all the way around the head. You already know, FadeMasterLos. Let's get it. Step 1, go ahead and comb the hair in the direction that it grows. Seems so simple but necessary. You want to see how that hair grows so that you can make sure you know the proper steps of fading. Step 2, we're gonna go ahead and start making that light line all the way around the head. Right now I'm currently on the all the way open, which is very close to like a half guard being on the clipper. And we're going to take that line all the way around the head. I'm going to give a little bit of a drop just to fit his head shape. Just like so. And you'll come around and get some of the spots that may have been missed. And it's also good to change directions of how you cutting as well with the clippers. My client told me he wanted to clean up the top. Not really a shape up, but just get some of the loose ends off. So we're gonna do that as well in this video. But the primary focus will be doing a light fade all the way around the head. Step 3, we're going in with that 6mm. Going with the 2 guard, and we're gonna go up about maybe 2 inches and flick outward to kind of give like a faded look into the top. So we're going in with that 2 guard, and we're going up maybe about 2 inches and flicking outward. We're gonna come clean that up after we put this fade in. Now, sometimes I go in with the 1.5 to 4.5mm, but on this cut, being that I'm very familiar with how his hair grows, I went straight to the 1. And I'm gonna open that 1 all the way open to be able to get to the 4.5mm by using my lever. After that, we're going down to the half guard, the 1.5mm, and we're gonna clean that line up out of there. If you want a very in-depth video on how to do a fade, I do have other videos that kind of shows the pattern that I like to follow. But it's from the 2 to the 1.5 to the 1.5, and you're gonna have a nice blended fade once you use that lever properly. Gotta use the lever properly. But right now I'm on the half guard, which some may call the 0. As you can see, you're gonna get a blend like that. Right now I'm taking that open all the way and cleaning up some of the loose spots that I may see, and also shaping up that top. Not really a shape up, just kind of like a clean up with the loose ends that's sticking up, just to make sure we keep it kind of tame. And this video is primarily going to be just focused on the fade. Not really gonna go into details about how to shape the beard up and how to line it up. You might see a little bit of it, but that's not really the focus. If you're interested in learning how to do a lineup, I have a video for that. If you're interested in learning how to do a beard lineup, I have a video for that. I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate you for liking, commenting, and subscribe. It's FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Hope this was able to help you out, and you're going to get something very similar to this. I appreciate y'all. Hey, FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go.